Hi mga idol! Grabe na miss ko mag-vlog and today samahan niyo ako sa aming family reunion sa San Mateo Hot Spring. Tara! Say hi, Manong! Hahanap na kami ng see you guys! Puhunan ko na kamod ha! Say hi! Si Mr. and Mrs. Kisumbing! Mr. and Mrs. Kisumbing! This is the best part pag nandito ka sa San Binoy. Pag umuulan. Night time! Ethan! Ethan do! Baby Tita! Hello! Hello, baby Tita!
Kaso ikaw na lubog dito ngayon.
Aki! Say hi, Aki! This is the nighttime view of San Binon, San Mateo Hot Spring. This side is hot, and that side over there super hot.
Yung kabila ko yung kids.
That's my favorite side. Hi, brother. Yes, we are here. Oh my goodness. Hindi ako nakasunod. waterproof, but I hope you can see the steam. Ayan o. I don't know, kasi grabe talaga yung steam niya, guys. Kung nandito kayo malapit, you'll see it. That's how hot it is. Straight from the volcano of Bulusan. Meron silang jacuzzi. Jacuzzi, guys. And take note, all of this is coming straight from Bulusan volcano. May jacuzzi. Jacuzzi daw. Oh, hi na, Grace. Para mag-hi ka lang ho. Say hi. Tutulak. Ako daw. Ayan, this is the reason. Kita nyo yan, yung steam. Yan. It runs through here. Tapos, this is the first jacuzzi with, look at the temperature, 42.4 degrees Celsius. So there guys, nakabihis na kami, nakapagbanlaw na. Di ko na na-document lahat kasi nagmamadali na lahat. So, yan si Mama. Mother! Happy? Ayan, malinis na yung aming cottage. About to go. Thank you so much guys for watching. Bye-bye.